Having trouble with your iPhone not scanning QR codes? It might be caused by wrong settings, camera glitches, or low lighting. Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step and get your camera working again. Let's jump into the solution. Solution 1. Clean your camera lens. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the camera lens. Ensure there's no dirt or smudges blocking the camera view. Often having dirt on camera can cause these issues. Solution 2. Ensure QR code scanner is enabled. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Camera. Ensure the Scan QR codes toggle is turned on. If this is already on, then turn it off and turn it back on again. After that, restart your camera from your iPhone. Just by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher and remove it from here. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. Just do these steps and your camera should start detecting QR codes again. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching.